2012 Vauxhall Corsa, excuse me, and this is the 1.4 SXI, and it's a 5-door, which is good. Around the front there's no damage. On the bonnet it's all good. This one is actually a category S, believe it or not, from the insurance company. This side isn't damaged, tyres are good, front fogs, no damage down this side. Hopefully you can see inside because the sun's shining through, but the seats are in good order. It's got tailored mats in it. It's got aircon, half decent radio, and cruise control, steering controls, and electric mirrors and electric windows rather. And the back is all nice and tidy. Hopefully you can see that. And no damage down this side, as said. Around the back, there's that little mark down there. Apart from that, it's all good and straight. And the boot's pretty tidy as well. Needs a bit of a clean, but decent. And this one is scraped down this side. I mean, this is a category S, but it really should have been an N because that is very light damaged. It's just rubbed this back door, which can be polished out and will be. And it's not really dented that door too much. This can be painted and fixed, and the wing. It's a very, very light damage that for an S. But instead of painting it, what we've got is we've got another door and another wing in the same colour, and these are in great order, so they will simply bolt on. And this car will be pretty much exactly the same because there's no real paint needed to it. It's just bolted on and away we go. So 2012 Corsa SXI, 55,000 miles, in a decent colour white, and these typically retail for between £4,000 and £4,500. I'm guessing this one is going to be £2,995, and it will make someone a very decent car.